My name is Sarah Ferguson, and this is how I Soko. I love to sheet mask like 1 to 2 times a week. It's usually a Sunday night activity for me. It's just kind of a time to take a minute before the week starts to relax and have a moment of self-care and to really indulge my skin. I am so excited that the Mediheal N.M.F Intensive Hydrating Mask is a Best of K-Beauty winner this year because it is definitely a Best of K-Beauty winner for me. I like to sheet mask after double cleansing and toning, but before serum and moisturizers. Sheet masks are always best applied on fresh, clean skin. Plus, they're usually formulated to help the rest of your products in your routine, such as a serum or a moisturizer, absorb better. And because serums are so concentrated, you're really gonna want the help to help them absorb efficiently so you get all of the good effects. Okay, so there is no excess packaging in here. There's no extra paper or plastic to peel off. It's just the sheet mask. And look how saturated this is. With the forehead first and get that nice and secure. And kind of pull it down over the mouth, on the sides, move it over and then get the nose. And this adheres really nicely to the skin. You could literally walk around, you could take a nap and it will not come off. All right, so I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes. And if you look closely, you can actually see that the sheet mask has the brand name Mediheal. And when that kind of becomes more visible, that's how you know that it's ready to be removed. And then with any of the excess essence that's gonna be on your hands or even in the package, you can put it anywhere on your body, anywhere that needs a little boost. You can put it on your elbows if they're feeling dry, you can put it on your hands, you can put it on your neck, which is very important, on your legs, anywhere you want. My name is Sarah Ferguson, and this is how I Soko.